Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 7 of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. As always, quick review first. 因为 because 所以 so 拜拜 bye goodbye 美女 beautiful girl 帅哥 handsome boy 可爱 cute 等等 wait and so on 也许 maybe 回来 come back 朋友 friend 祝好 all the best 尽快 as soon as possible 学习 study 汉语 Chinese 简单 easy 坚持 keep going 加油 come on 我能 I can. So today let's going to learn a word language. I call it because it's smile and laugh related. The first one, haha. Ha, ha, haha. Ha. Two mouses here. This is 口字旁。人 one 口哈 haha. The second one, huh. So, 口字旁 mouse 可以可爱 we've learned from our previous videos. And the third one, hey. Hey. Also 口字旁 and a hey means black. Hey. Hey. Hey, hey. Ha ha, ha ha, ha ha, ha ha, ha ha, ha ha, hey hey, hey hey, hey hey. Okay, that's all for today. If you find this video interesting, please help me share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.